Installation dash kit for double DIN head units. Accommodates stacked ISO DIN mount. Antenna adapter, 40GM10, 40CR10. Designed and manufactured with precision tolerances. Double DIN version of 99-2009 that allows a double DIN radio provision or 2 stacked ISO mount units provision for a clean installation in a select number of vehicles. New version of 99-2003 with added vehicle support, new brackets and fitting included. Allows double DIN aftermarket car radio installation. Designed and manufactured with precision tolerances, resulting in a gapless fit between the dash and the kit. Painted to match factory dash color. Metra double DIN installation multi-kit for select 90up GM, Honda, Isuzu, Suzuki Vehicles 90up. This product has the following all along with it as such as Metra double. Top reviews from the United States. Easy installation. Easy to assemble and install. Breaking the tabs that wasn't going to be used wasn't tricky either. Some people cut them, but I find it easier to get it completely assembled, bolted down and then break the useless tabs off. Carefully bending back and forward until it breaks, leaving a smooth flat surface. Make sure you know the tabs you need to keep.